Good morning and hi everyone. It's Primrose here and welcome back to my small space indoor garden. And you guys, today I have some beautiful blooms to share with you. And let me start with my aloe plant over here. So this is a 4-year-old plant and it was given to me by a friend when it was just a tiny plantlet. And today it is in full bloom. Look at those combination of colors. It's beautiful. And of course, it's not looking spectacular as the amaryllis at the back there. But we know that for plants it takes a lot of time for them to and the energy to put out some new growth, some new leaves, and produce these beautiful blooms. So I really appreciate every single growth that they give me. And let's move on to this Dendrobium orchid over here. I did not expect for this to put out some blooms, because at the moment it does not have any roots in it, except for that one. It's a new growth coming out from the old cane. And I was treating one of my cactus in the summer with a cinnamon powder because it was getting a fungal infection that was spreading rapidly. And the comes to me, I knocked the jar over onto the bark media, which resulted for the orchids to dry out all of the roots. And it's taking a lot of time, especially now that it's cold. We are still in winter time, and it's taking some time for them to put out some new roots. But look at those beautiful colors. And so that's why I brought it out here, so I could enjoy the blooms. And if you are using cinnamon powder in your garden, you have to be very careful. It's a powerful stuff. It's very useful when you're treating your plant from a fungal infection, but then again it could be harmful if you're not being careful with it. And these two are my rescued amaryllis. Look how big that flower is. So I got these for 50 pence only because one of the flower stalk that came out earlier was beginning to wilt, and they knocked the price down, and so I call them my rescued amaryllis. And the price were really good for these two bulbs. So I got one more bud coming out there, and I particularly like this beautiful mini one. It's not as high as that one, the flower stalk, and at the moment it only got two blooms, but I don't know if that one's gonna make it. It's just so small. And look at that color. It's so white and it's beautiful. I'm loving it. So thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed my beautiful blooms that I share with you today. And have a nice day. Take care. Bye.